This is the fastest hard drive upgrade for a laptop on TikTok. I'm going to be using this 1TB M.2 SSD I got from the TikTok shop. Here we go. First, get your laptop, get your SSD, remove all these screws. If you lose any of these screws, you're dead to me. Remove the rear cover on your laptop, grab your SSD. Now you're gonna look for the storage spot. I got one over here and another one over here. We're gonna install it over here. You're gonna have this little screw that's included. You're gonna need that. Grab your SSD, line it up here, slide it right into place. Carefully hold the SSD down. Put your little screw in place here. It does include a little screwdriver. Now, you're gonna put your cover back on, put all your screws back in. Now that your laptop is back together, get out of here with that stuff. Start your PC up, go ahead and open disk management, go in there, reformat that hard drive, and you're good to go. You can pick these up right now in a TikTok shop. They're dirt cheap, and they have several different options available. So check them out right now.